Hello, welcome to this update. Let's quickly see the forecast for parts of Southern Africa. So, recently, like 2 days ago, we talked about Central Africa on a tropical update. That there'll still be a lot of heavy rain, especially in Western Africa, because of those tropical waves. So be careful there. And in southern Africa, there are some easterly winds bringing some rain to eastern Madagascar. Some areas the next 5 days about 40 millimeters. A shower or two in Mozambique, and in Zimbabwe a shower or two in the next 5 days. In Tanzania, some rain in Kenya, and might have some rain in southwest and South Africa on the next 5 days because of a front, and some rain nearby there. So let's see. So now it's very calm and cold. So we have that cyclone in the Atlantic and that cold front there. So the cold front will gradually weaken as it approaches South Africa, but by Saturday, the 24th of August, it might bring some rain there to the Cape and parts of Southwest and South Africa by Saturday. More rain there, and then still by Saturday afternoon and night, some leftover showers, and maybe some rain in the south there. So let's see. Later we might have some rain again on Monday, the 26th, because of another system passing by, and maybe some more rain on Wednesday, some showers there, maybe even some snow there by next Thursday, the 29th. More showers, maybe some snow, and then some other systems later to watch there. So let's see. Rain accumulation next 10 days, nothing crazy, just more in the southwest and South Africa, some showers in the south, and a little bit more rain in eastern South Africa. So nothing crazy. Let's see. Snowfall on the next 5 days, barely nothing of snow next 5 days, but next 10 days there might be a little bit of snow in some mountainous areas there, some areas, but mainly South Africa there on the next 10 days. So yeah, nothing crazy, just be aware. Let's put the GFS model, see next 5 days nothing, not even the next 10 days it has. So just the European has rainfall accumulation, the GFS next 5 days, a little bit less than the European on southwest and South Africa, some in Mozambique, and next 10 days a little bit more along the coast there, but nothing crazy. So in terms of temperature, the most important topic. So let's see. There's still some very cold temperatures in some of those mountains there, like -2 degrees in the morning and during the night and early morning, 4 degrees, 7 degrees, 9 degrees in Cape Town, but mainly those mountains -2, let's see, 2 degrees, 1 degree. It's like from today to tomorrow. Today is the 21st, and then like on Tuesday, on Thursday through Friday, most of the cold goes east. 2 degrees, 3 degrees in Lesotho, 1 degree in some areas, 5 degrees. So this is during the night. During the maximum heat of the day, it might get warmer during the day. So it's showing all the way to 31 degrees in northern South Africa, 28, 25, 19 degrees there. So it will get warmer during the day, and then at night still some colder temperatures in eastern South Africa by Saturday into Sunday, and then by Sunday a little bit colder in western South Africa again there. Then by Monday, still some normal cold during the night. Tuesday, some normal cold as well. Wednesday, let's see, Thursday, and then during the day it will get hotter, showing all the way to 33 degrees in parts of northern South Africa. So that's kind of crazy for this time of year. But and in Botswana it shows 31, 29 degrees and 34 degrees during the day. So hotter there in Mozambique, 29, 33 to 32 degrees during the day. So be aware there. So that was one model. Now the other model, the European model, it has like, so the GFS is like on the lower side, but the European already shows some colder temperatures. The GFS is like kind of conservative with temperatures. So the European shows colder temperatures. So from today to tomorrow, it shows -3 degrees, 0 degrees, 0, -3 degrees, mainly those mountains, but some other areas of blue, like 1 degrees, 0 degrees, -1, some areas of Lesotho, 2 degrees, very cold still. 15, 13 degrees further north, some 8, 10 degrees in Botswana, 9 degrees southern Namibia. So then the maximum temperatures during the day, it has is 28 degrees in the north there. Then the next night, from the 22nd to 23rd, has -2 degrees in Lesotho, 2 degrees, mainly the mountains, but 1 degree, 0 degrees there, -1, let's see, 0 degrees in those areas there, Central, Southern South Africa, but mainly to the east. It warmed up in the west a little bit. And then, let's see, later dissipates a little bit, but still cold, and during the day has all the way to 30 degrees there. And then the next night, from Saturday to Sunday, it has a colder spot in Lesotho, with some -1 and 0 degrees there in parts of Lesotho, 6, 4 degrees in other areas, and Eswatini 7, even 6 degrees. So let's see. And then Saturday to Sunday, more cold in those western mountains again, -1 degrees there, and Lesotho still 0, -1 degrees there. Then Monday, Sunday to Monday, a little bit less cold at night, but still kind of cold, and during the day warmer there. Then Monday to Tuesday, more cold in Lesotho, like 0, -1 degrees, 5, 4 degrees in those mountains. The next night a little bit better, but the night after, from the 28th to 29th, shows like another time 0 degrees, 1 degree, parts of those mountains more western South Africa, 5 degrees. Then from the 29th to the 30th of August, it shows a bigger cold snap there, like negative temperatures throughout eastern South Africa, Lesotho, western South Africa, so many areas there. This is still a week out, it will change, but the Europeans are already forecasting -2 degrees, 0 degrees, -1 degrees in all those towns there and cities, like central, southern South Africa. Let's see, some higher mountains down to -4 degrees, -2, -1 in Lesotho. So this is the minimum temperatures for Friday the 30th during the like 4 a.m. during the early night and morning. So -3 degrees, some other mountains there, -2, Cape Town around 8 degrees, but be aware there. And then the forecast ends later, but still some cold in Lesotho. So we'll keep tracking this. Nothing crazy at this point, there's still some time, but we'll keep tracking. And now on the 21st of August, there's that cyclone down in the ocean, and alright, leaving some strong winds near the coast. There are some bigger waves there. And then let's see, that cyclone leaves more gusty winds tomorrow on Thursday, northeastern South Africa and southern Mozambique and Eswatini. More cyclones on the coast, so some more gusty winds in the ocean there in the sea. And then by Friday the 23rd, the European has stronger winds in central South Africa, close to 74 km per hour, 66 km per hour, southern Namibia, 46 km per hour. Let's see, 55, 40 km per hour. And then it has those systems still spinning there in the ocean. Cape Town around 61 km per hour by Sunday the 24th, 75 km per hour in some mountains there, 62, some higher peaks, 76 km per hour. So be careful. Near Lesotho, some mountains just south of Lesotho, 75 km per hour gusts possible, some gusty winds in other areas. And then by like Saturday afternoon, it shows 70 kilometers per hour, 73, 72, 62. So a widespread area of very strong winds Saturday afternoon for central South Africa. So, and then it goes there, it comes down by Sunday, but still Sunday afternoon, the 25th, some strong winds in Lesotho, especially those mountains there, like more than 82 km per hour gusts possible. And then Monday it comes down, but still like Monday morning and afternoon, there'll be that other system there, more gusty winds like from 50 to 70 kilometers per hour throughout South Africa and Lesotho. Then it keeps going there, comes down only before the next cycle on the 27th, leaving some more 60 70 km per hour winds on southwestern South Africa and up to 80 km per hour in some areas, 70 kilometers. So be careful there. On the 28th, more strong winds through central South Africa. The 29th, a little bit better, but gusty winds in Lesotho, through Eswatini, Mozambique, in southern Zimbabwe, and even in southern Namibia and western South Africa on the 30th there. But there's still a lot of days out, and we don't know exactly how it will happen. But let's see. So this is the European model that always shows the wind stronger, but the GFS has a little bit weaker, but still some strong winds, but like 66 kilometers per hour, and the European had 70 kilometers per hour. So it might be like the GFS is showing a little bit weaker too, but you never know. Better be prepared always. But it shows some scenarios too, like on Saturday night, some very strong winds through Botswana and South Africa. There are some areas close to 78 kilometers per hour. So there's some different scenarios than the European, but be aware there. So this is mainly it. Stay safe.